Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the arc length. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do first the derivative of y. So first the derivative of s to the power of 3 over 2. We have 3 over 2 s to the power of 3 over 2 minus number 1. And the second one that is like this. Because I just apply the formula in here. That is about the power rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to s to the power of n. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we have like this. This one we have negative 1 over 2. Next, we can apply the formula in here. So we have the integration from number 1 to number 4. And we have the square root. And we have 1 plus first the derivative of y to the power of 2 dx. So I will put this one gone here. Now we need to expand this one. So this one we have negative 1 over 2. 1 minus 1 over 2, we have positive 1 over 2. And this one in here, that is about 1 over 2 s2. So we have the formula in here. So this one we change by this one. So as you can see that from number 1 to number 4, this one always positive number, and we can cancel the absolute value. And now we have the formula in here. And now we have like this. And now I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 4. So that should be like this. So I will put number 4 gone here. Number 1 gone here. And we have 10 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.